Today we will discuss about 15-year power curve. So the power curve means it is in the form of y equal to ax to the power of b. So this is, let it be, equation 1. So now we want to fit a data for this type of curves. So this type of curves we cannot find directly. So this type of equations we are taking log base e on both sides. So taking log base e for equation 1. So we get log y base e equal to log base e ax bar b. See, here we are having a into x bar b. Since we know that log ab can be written as log a plus log b. So this can be written as log a base e plus log x bar b base e. Again in the second term, x bar b we are having. Again we know that since from the logarithm log a bar n can be written as n into log a. So this can be written as log y base e equal to log a base e plus b into log x base e. Now this is in logarithm terms. So this is also can be written as, by taking the substitution, v is equal to capital A plus small b into w. Right? So where v can be taken as log y base e and capital A is known as log small a base e and capital W can be taken, w is equal to log x base e. So now let it be, this is equation 2. So now equation 2 it is in the form of straight line. So for straight line equation we can fit a data easily. So using this straight line, and we can find capital A and small b values. So after getting capital A value, that can be changing into small a. So now that small a, small b values we are substituting in equation 1, we get a power curve. So first of all, for solving this straight line equation, here we are using least squares method. Using least squares method for equation 2, the two normal equations can be written as summation vi is equal to na plus b summation wi. Let it be, this is equation 3, and summation vi into wi is equal to a summation wi plus b summation wi square. So this is equation 4. See here, vi means log y base e, wi means log x base e. So these values, summation vi, summation wi, summation viw, summation w square values, we are finding by using the given data, and we are substituting. Solving these two equations, we get, after solving equation 3 and 4, we get capital A and small b. So capital A, here we are getting, since we know that capital A is equal to log a small e, here we want small a, this implies small a can be written as anti-log of capital A, or this is also can be written as e to the power of capital A, right? So after getting small a, small b, we are substituting these two values in equation 1, we get a power curve for the given data. So next we are doing problems on power curve. Fit a power curve to the following data. Their given data is number of its speed gain 3, 5, 2, 8, 6, 9, 3, 4, and speed gain is 86, 118, 49, 193, 164, 232, 73 and 109 they are given. So now we want to fit a power curve. So that is, let the power curve is y equal to ax power b. Let it be, this is equation 1. Okay. So for power curves and exponential curves, we are taking logarithm on both sides and we are changing the given equation into straight line equation. So for this already we done this part. So this can be written as log y base e equal to log a base e plus b into log x base e. Also can be written as capital V equal to a plus b capital W. Let it be, this is equation 2. We are changing equation 1 in terms of a straight line equation where capital V is equal to log y base e, capital W equal to log x base e, capital A is equal to log a base e. Okay. So next step, for solving this straight line using the method of least squares method, we can write a normal equation. The normal equations are summation Vi is equal to Na plus B into summation Wi. Let it be equation 3. Summation Wi into Vi is equal to A summation Wi plus B summation Wi square. Let it be, this is equation 4. So now we are solving equation 3 and 4. We can find small b and capital A value. For solving these two values, first we want to find out summation Vi, summation Wi, summation Wi square, and n value we want here. For these values we are constructing a table. So in table we are taking x values, y values, right? X values are there given 3, 5, 2, 8, 6, 9, 3 and 4. And the y values are 86, 118, 49, 193, 164, 232, 73, 109. So now here in these two equations there is no x and y. We are having v and w. Here wi means log x base e, and vi means log y base e, right? So now you are using calculators, we are finding wi and vi values. Now wi means we are taking log base e to the x values. Log base e means in your calculators we are using ln values. So the first one ln 3, that value equal to 1.0986. Next ln 5 1.6094. Next ln 2 0.6931, ln 8 2.0794, ln 6 1.7918, ln 9 2.1972, ln 3 1.0986, ln 4 1.3863. And next we are finding Vi. Vi means we are taking logarithm for y values. So that is ln 86 4.4543, ln 118 4.7707, ln 49 3.8918. Next ln 193, ln 193, that value 5.2627, ln 164 5.0999. Next ln 232, that value is 5.4467, ln 73, that value equal to 4.2905. Next ln 109, that value is equal to 4.6913. So after finding wi and vi values, next we are giving these values in your calculators, we get directly summation Vi, summation Wi, summation WNVI and summation Wi square. So for this, we are calculating changing into regression mode. Press mode 2 times we get regression 2. So that is 2, and this is the straight line. We are changing into straight line, that is known as linear equation. So press LIN means linear, press 1 and give the values. So in the place of x and y, now we are having W and Vi. So now I am giving this one comma this one. 1.0986 comma 4.4543 m plus. Next for second value 1.6094 comma 4.7707 m plus. Next 0.6931 comma 3.8918 m plus 2.0794 comma 5.2627 m plus. After giving each and every value, you have to press m plus. Next 1.7918 comma 5.0999 m plus. Next 2.1972 comma 5.4467 m plus. Next 1.0986 comma 4.2905 m plus. Next 1.3863 comma 4.6913 m plus. So here after giving all the values, we are getting n equal to 8 here. So I am now down here values are n equal to 8. For the remaining values, press shift 1. Here we are having summation x square. Summation x square means here we are having in terms of V and W. That can be we are taking as summation Wi square. Press 1 equal to, we get that is 19.7684. Next summation Wi. Shift 1. Summation x means summation W. Press 2 equal to 11.9544. Next shift 1 and next we want summation Vi. So here there for this in your calculator press side arrow summation Y we are having. Y means in terms of V we are having. So that is press 2 equal to summation Vi is equal to 37.9079. Next shift 1. Next we want summation Wi into Vi. So Wi into Vi means in your calculator see the value of summation xy. Shift 1 side arrow summation xy. So here we are having 3. Press 3 equal to, we get that value is 58.5347. So all these values we are substituting in equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 implies we get Na, so that is N is 8A plus summation W. Wi is 11.9544. B is equal to summation Vi 37.9079. Let it be, this is equation 5. Next, substitute the values in equation 4. A summation Wi 11 equation 4 implies 11.9544A plus summation W square. So that is 19.7684B is equal to summation Wi into Vi 58.5347. Let it be, this is equation 6. So now we are solving these two equations. We get two constants, capital A and small b. So this can be calculated by manually or you can use your calculators. So using calculators we can calculate easily. So for this your calculator changing the mode into equation mode. For this, press mode 3 times. We are having equation 1. So press 1. Here we are having 2 unknowns. Press 2. Give the values. A quotient is A1. B quotient is B1. C means constant we are giving. So that is 8 equal to 11.9544 equal to 37.9079 equal to, next, A2 means second equation, A quotient, 11.9544 equal to 19.7684 equal to 58.5347 equal to. We get X means here unknown is A. So therefore we are getting capital A is equal to 3.2568 and small b is equal to, again press equal to, we get small b is 0.9916. But here we want small a. Small a means that can be written as antilog of capital A. Antilog of capital A means e to the power of capital A. So this implies small a is equal to e power capital A. That value is equal to, shift e power, that value is 3.2568 equal to 25.9663. So now we are getting small a, small b. Small a, small b values now we are substituting in equation 1. Equation 1 implies y is equal to 25.9663 into x power b is 0.9916. So this is the power curve for the given data. Okay. So first of all, the power curve we are changing into straight line. For this we are taking log base e on both sides and write down the normal equations for straight line using the method of least squares method. Then find out the summation values using tabular and calculator, and solving equations we get constant values. Then capital letters we are changing into small values, substituting equation 1, we get a power curve. Next problem. In an agro experiment, the growth in height of a certain plant in centimeters they are given is observed and recorded for 1 week. Fit a power curve of the form y equal to ax power b and estimate the possible growth of plant after 10 days. So they are giving the plant growth within a week means 7 days growth they are given. So after 10 days how much growth it is happened we have to find out here. Already they are given curve also. So I am taking given y equal to ax power b, let it be equation 1. So now we want to find out small a and small b. Directly we cannot find out small a and small b. So we are interchanging this power curve into straight line. For this taking log base e on both sides. Right? Log y base e is equal to log a base e plus b into log x base e. This is also can be written as v is equal to a plus b w. Now this is, let it be equation 2 is in straight line equation. Using method of least squares method, now we want to write down the normal equations for this straight line equation. The two normal equations are summation vi is equal to na plus b into summation wi. Let it be equation 3. Summation wi into vi is equal to a summation wi plus b summation wi square. Let it be, this is equation 4. See here we are taking v equal to a plus b w means where v is equal to log y base e, w equal to log x base e, a equal to log a base e. So here also summation vi means summation log y base e. Same as it is we are taking. So now we are solving equation 3 and 4. We are getting capital A and small b value. For solving these two equations, here we want to find out the summation values using tabulator and calculator. So first I am constructing the table here. I am taking x and y values, x values and y values. X values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, they are given. And y values are 1.95, 2.16, 2.30, 2.40, 2.48, 2.55, 2.61. Okay, here there is no summation x and summation y, only summation v, summation wi, summation wi square, summation vi into wi we are having. So now x and y values are we are changing into wi and vi. So we know that wi means log xi base e. So we are taking log base e to the x values, we get wi. Log base e means we are using calculator and use the button ln. Ln means log base e. Give the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ln 1 is equal to 0. Next, ln 2 is equal to 0.6931. Next, ln 3 1.0986. ln 4 1.3863, ln 5 1.6094, ln 6 1.7918, ln 7 1.9459. Next we are finding VI values. VI means we are finding log yi base e. Base e we are taking means we are using ln. So now we are finding using y values ln 1.95, that value equal to 0.6678. ln 2.16 equal to 0.7701. Next ln 2.30 equal to 0.8329. Next, ln 2.40 0.8755. Next, ln 2.48, that value 0.9083. Next, ln 2.55 0.9361. Next, ln 2.61, that value is equal to 0.9594. After finding wi and vi values in your calculators, we are giving these two values, we get summation values easily. So for this, so we are changing your calculator into regression linear mode. So for this, press mode 2 times regression 2. This is linear because we are changing here into straight line. Straight line is a linear equation. Press 1 and now I am giving the values of wi and vi because here we want the summations for wi and vi summations we want here. So x and y are we are changing into wi into vi. So now I am giving wi and vi values 0, 0.6678 m plus second value 0.6931, 0.7710 m plus next 1.0986, 0.8329 m plus next fourth value 1.3863, 0.8755 m plus next 1.6094, 0.9083 m plus next 1.7918, 0.9361 m plus, and the last value 1.9459, 0.9594 m plus. So we are having total n values are 7. After giving all the values, press shift to 1. We have summation x square, summation x, summation y, summation xy, all values we are getting easily. Here in the place of summation x means here we are taking a summation wi. Now I am writing the values here. Summation n is equal to 7. Summation wi, summation wi square, and next we want summation vi and summation wi into vi values we want here. For this, press shift 1, press 1 equal to, we get 12.9850 for summation wi square. Next for summation wi, shift 1, press 2 equal to 8.4651. Next shift 1, side arrow, summation y means summation vi. So press 2 equal to 5.9510. Next summation wi into vi. Shift 1, side arrow, summation xy, press 3 equal to 7.6130. Now all these values we are substituting in equation 3 and 4. Equation 3 implies NA plus 7A plus the summation wi 8.4651 into B is equal to summation vi. So that is known as 5.9510. Let it be, this is equation 5, and equation 4 implies we get second equation we are substituting A summation wi. So that is 8.4651A plus summation wi square 12.9850 into B is equal to summation wi into vi 7.6130. Let it be, this is equation. Now we are solving equation 5 and 6. We get capital A and small b value. For solving these equations, again we are using the calculator. We are changing the calculator mode into equation mode. So press mode 3 times, we get equation 1, and 2 unknowns we are having. So press 2. Give the values A1, 7 equal to 8.4651 equal to constant 5.9510 equal to next 8.4651 equal to 12.9850 equal to 7.6130 equal to, we get x means here unknown is a 0.669, right? Next press again equal to, we get b 0.1515. Here we want small a, small b. This is the capital A. This implies small a equal to anti-log of capital A, or this is also can be written as e power capital A. So e to the power of 0.669, this value is equal to, shift e power 0.669, that value equal to 1.9482. Now we are substituting small a, small b values in equation 1. Equation 1 implies y is equal to ax power b. A value equal to 1.9482. X power b value is 0.1515. Okay, so this is the fitting a power curve for the given data. But in our question they are asking estimate the possible growth of a plant after 10 days. So number of days is we are represented by x. So that means here we are substituting x equal to 10. After 10 days the growth of a plant we are getting. So that means substitute x equal to 10 in above equation. We get y at 10 equal to, that means 10th day growth we are getting is equal to 1.9482 into 10 to the power of 0.1515. This can be solved by using calculator. This can be used by calculator. We are simplifying. We get 2.7614. It is in centimeters. So growth we are telling in terms of centimeter. After 10 days, the growth of a plant is equal to 2.7614 centimeters. So these are related to power curve problems.